Parkland College and the East Central Research Foundation have been involved in an oat disease management study since 2018. The study led by the Northeast Research Foundation is being conducted across various locations in Saskatchewan. We have only finished the second year of a 3-year study, so final results won't be available until completion in 2021. However, we found foliar fungicide was of no use at Yorkton in 2019, even though there was lots of leaf disease. Stay with us and find out why.
The trial had 12 treatments, which were 3 fungicide treatments applied to 2 oat varieties seeded at 2 seeding rates. The 3 fungicide treatments were an untreated check, 280 mils per acre of Corumba applied at flag, and 400 mils per acre of Corumba applied at heading. The varieties compared were CS Candom and AC Summit, and the seeding rates were 300 and 450 seeds per meter squared.
There were no interactions, so we are just going to look at the main effects. The blue bars represent yield, and the orange dots represent percent coverage of flag leaf with disease. From this graph, we can see yield and level disease did not significantly differ between varieties. However, increasing seeding rate from 300 to 450 seeds per meter squared did significantly increase disease and significantly reduce yield by 6 bushels per acre. The higher seeding rate likely resulted in a denser, more humid canopy, which would have been more conducive to disease development.
Despite a good disease pressure, the application of fungicide did not increase yield, nor did it decrease leaf disease. In fact, based on visual readings, the application of Corumba at heading was significantly associated with a higher level of disease coverage on the flag. Why would this occur is open to speculation. However, we do know why the fungicide was ineffective.
Here you are looking at a plot of Summit seeded at 450 seeds per meter squared and sprayed with 400 mils per acre of Corumba at heading.
I noticed that many of the plots which had been sprayed with fungicide still had lots of disease on the flag. I also noticed that the disease had an orange tinge that made me suspect the disease was a bacterial blight.
This was confirmed to be true by Randy Kutcher, a plant pathologist with the U of S who plated the leaf samples. While there were some fungal spotting diseases identified, most of the diseases turned out to be bacterial. Fungicide does not control bacterial blight.
So the application of fungicide at this site would have been a complete waste of time and money, as there was little spotting disease and there was no crown rust. From my past experience, bacterial blight is more commonly seen in our area on oats than other leaf diseases. Past work from Indian Head would suggest that we don't often see an oat yield response to fungicide. However, some swear by it. It is important, though, to be aware of the oat diseases you are likely to see personally on your farm. We'd like to thank ADF for funding this trial.